Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dinesh Tatia. So in the last lecture we have seen the while loop. Okay, now we are going to see some more examples using the while loop. So suppose there is a list. Okay, so the list has some numbers and including some strings. Okay, yeah, or 100, 200. Now now I have to print all the elements using while loop. Okay, so what I will do, I will start the initialization. As I have shared you, there are three things which we need to take care of in the while. So first of all, initialization. Now while I is less than, now less than what? Okay, how many times we want to run this loop? So every time, whenever loops run one time, okay, so every time we need one element. Okay, so whenever loop runs, we need one element from the list. Okay, so this way we want to run the loop. So how many times we want to run the loop? We want to run the loops as many times as the number of elements present inside the loop. So how can we find the number of elements present in the loop? We can find it from the length of list. Okay, so there is a one inbuilt function called length. Now if I say that list is, okay, if I say that list is this much, then I will use length of list 6. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 elements inside the list, so our length of the list is 6. Okay, now I have written here less than. Okay, not less than equals to. Why I have not written less than equals to? Because the list is the length of list is 6. Okay, and our indexing starts from 0. Okay, so and that's why our initialization is also 0. So it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that's why we are using I less than length of list. Print what you have to print? Print list with the indexing of I. Okay, here I is 0 with the indexing of I, and I plus is equal to 1, means I is equal to I plus 1. Okay, now see, you will get the whole element in a single while loop. Okay, hope you have understood. Let me tell you how it's work. Okay, let me show you again that how it's working. Okay, now you can see that there is a list. Okay, there is a list. Okay, just a second guys. Yeah, there is a list. Okay, which is this 1, 2, Dinesh Tatia 100, 200. Okay, and indexing for this 1, 2, Dinesh Tatia 100, 200. Okay, these are my list. Now I am initializing with 0. Why? Because in the indexing, whenever we have seen the when we have seen the indexing, whenever we use indexing, it starts from 0. Indexing starts from 0. So index for indexing it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so if I use list of 0, I will get 1. If I use list of 1, I will get 2. List of 2 indexing, I will get Dinesh. Okay, in a similar way, list of 5, I will get 200. Okay, so this way my indexing works. Okay, now I have initialized by I is equal to 0. You can initialize by any number. I is equal to 1, I is equal to 2, I is equal to 3, like that you can initialize, but as I required 0 also in the indexing, so I am initializing I is equal to 0. Okay, now length of list. Okay, there is a function called length. Now here length of list is 6. Okay, but my indexing comes up to 5. Okay, So my index number, the last index number is 5. So my I should be less than 6. Okay, because if it goes to the 6, there is no indexing, it will give me error. Sorry, it will give me error. So my indexing 5. So last I should be the I should go up to 5 only. Okay, I is equal to 5, and when I is equal to 5, my loops will end. Okay, sorry, I is equal to 6, my loop will end, because it will not execute, it will not meet the condition of this one. Okay, so here I is less than 6. Okay, now print list of 0, because my first value of I is 0, and then I is equal to I plus 1. So I is equal to 0 plus 1, and I is equal to 1. So here I becomes 1, and it goes to while loop again. Okay, so 1 is less than 6. Okay, so it will goes to this one. The condition is satisfied. It goes to the print statement. Now in print, my what will print? List of 1. Okay, list of 1, because my I become 1 after increment. So list of 1, what is the list of 1 is 2. Okay, so my second statement will second element will get print 2. Now again I is equal to I plus 1. So I is equal to 1 plus 1 become 2. Now I become 2 here. It will go to the while loop again, and this 2 is less than 6. Okay, this 2 is less than 6. Condition is satisfied. It will print again. So it will print list of 2. What is list of 2? That is Dinesh. Okay, it will get printed. Dinesh will get print, and again there is an increment, that 2 become 3. It will go again. 3 is less than 6. So this will, so loop will continue till my I become 5. 5 is I become 6. Okay, so 6 is the condition become while 6 is less than 6. So condition is not satisfied. My loop will break, and my this whole code will stop. Okay, this loop will break. Okay, so this is how while loop works. Okay, this is how you can meet the condition. Okay, so hope you understood, guys, that how these things work. Okay, so how we can use the while loop. Okay.